The themes that underpin Tino Rangatiratanga and mana motuhake are very similar, if not the same, but mana motuhake predates our use of the concept Tino Rangatiratanga. They're underpinned by that idea of full, complete, total control, independence, authority, kind of spiritually sanctioned.
Kia nei ko te mana motuhake, he mana I takea mai ngā atua. It's an inherent authority or sense of identity, sense of being. Sovereignty, if you like. I'm mindful of using the English terms, but it's something that derives from our atua Māori, something that essentially determines our uniqueness.
I'm hesitant to use the word sovereignty. I personally don't think that the word sovereign captures all of what Tino Rangatiratanga is for us.
It was their whole world. Their whole world, they didn't have or require a definition of that because it was their living experience.
When our tipuna migrated and left Hawaii, in my view, that's the most profound expression of mana motuhake and Tino Rangatiratanga, because you had our collectives, our hapu and our iwi, make a very conscious and deliberate collective decision to determine their own future. Because of the change in the political landscape, the arrival of Pākehā, the establishment of kāwanatanga and the Crown, Tino Rangatiratanga was more about how we were independent from this new foreign entity.
A socio-political response was required to what was happening to us as a people. It's about reclaiming our indigeneity, it's about reclaiming our reo, it's about reclaiming our whakapono, our faith. Now, there's a challenge.